Okay, hi guys. I'm doing this video because currently I'm moving out of my apartment and I wish I had filmed a proper tour while I had things all perfect. Now my apartment is literally torn apart because I've been getting rid of stuff and I have stuff like everywhere in my apartment, but I thought I would still show you guys around so you can see it for like memories because I never really showed my apartment fully. I loved this apartment so much. This was my first New York City apartment and I loved this apartment, but like slowly I grew out of it and it was time to move, and I'm a very nostalgic person. I definitely like hold on to memories of spaces, but I feel like this space served its perfect amount of time in my life and I enjoyed it so much, and I don't even feel sad to leave. It's time for the next chapter and I'm excited. The only regret I have is not filming a little tour when everything was perfect, because I did get it to a point that I really liked and it was cute. And I never showed it to you guys, so I'm kind of sad I didn't show you guys. But I'll try to do a little walkthrough tour and then I'll insert photos so you guys can kind of see what it looked like. A lot of people already knew, but this apartment was in SoHo. The location was perfect for this apartment, and I had spent like my years of 19 to 21 here, so I have like a lot of memories in this apartment. So I'll always kind of cherish it. I think a space like serves its purpose and then it stops. And this apartment, I had gotten like a new lease agreement for it and I wasn't sure if I was gonna stay or if it was time to go. And downstairs there's a cafe that had opened up. In the cafe they would start blaring music at like 8 in the morning, and where my bedroom was, it was like directly over the cafe, and since like 7 in the morning I would hear music so loud, and I'm such a distracted person already that I could not handle it. And so when that started I was like, okay, I think it's time, amongst other things. But literally it's so messy. Okay, I used to have like this USM console here and my TV was on it, and then I have this clothing rack out here, which I think you guys know used to be in my bedroom. Somebody from like Facebook Marketplace that's gonna come pick up my TV later, and my bedroom is all torn apart. This is a funny story, but I kept going through bed frames. I would do like a janky job building my bed frames. The lease was up before summer, which was kind of nice. I mean, it's summer now. It's about to be June, so it's kind of perfect timing because it does get hot in the city during the summer. But this year has been so weird. I don't know, if you guys live in New York, you might know. It's been the longest winter and it still doesn't feel like summer yet. Like, it's kind of overcast and cold outside right now, and it's literally the 30th of May, which is crazy because at this point now it should be kind of nice out. But I'm gonna put stuff in storage while I search for a new apartment, and then I'm gonna go back to the West Coast to visit my family on Tuesday. It's Saturday now, so I'll have some time to search for apartments on Street Easy on my computer while I'm there for a week or so, and then I'm gonna come back. And also I'm almost happy to not be tied to an apartment over the summer because it's kind of fun to be spontaneous and be able to travel and not have to be tied down to thinking like I should be in the city with my apartment. But I do kind of want to intern this summer too, so I think I might end up getting a place again. But I thought I would show you guys my apartment before it's completely gone, even though it's already just not the vibe. But yeah, I'll definitely be taking you guys along with me as I tour apartment. You guys will have to bear with me though, because I'm gonna like try to insert pictures as much as I can to show what things used to look like, because I swear it's just not the same. I got rid of my USM and like in that moment I was like, holy shit, now my apartment doesn't feel complete, like it doesn't feel the same. I listed it for sale because I just did not want to store it. It was too big, and I thought if I want it again, I'll buy it again. And I listed it, somebody wanted it, and then they took it pretty fast, and then I was like, shoot, I should not have sold it before I filmed a tour. So I do regret that, but it's okay. I'm gonna show you guys my apartment now. I've already taken my apartment apart quite a bit, but I just wanted to do a little tour around before it's fully gone, because my friend Jennifer is here with me right now and I'm finally moving all my stuff out. I'm already missing my console table that had my TV, so I'm kind of sad that that's gone, and I'm missing my little dining table too. But I still have a little bit of it left, so I just thought I would tour it around so I can remember it. But here I had my trunk, which you guys saw me unbox, and then my couch is here, and I had these framed pictures, and my fire escape was out here. And then in here was my bedroom, which is now missing my bed frame because it broke. And then in here I had my closet and shoes down here. I used to have the rolling rack in here too, but I just had moved it out. And then my shoes were just on these little shelves, and I had some bags up here. And then right over here, I just had this little desk, which I never really used, but it has like all my accessories and stuff. And then I had put this little pendant light up here in these sconces, which this one actually broke. So I need to take all that down. This rug too I had was like this cowl rug. And then I had this mirror right here too, which was just from CB2, and my little nightstand. But everything, it's kind of crazy because it already just does not feel the same. I have just taken out my TV and my console, but I'll put in pictures so you guys can see what it looked like before. And then this was my kitchen, which I don't know if you guys will remember, but I had like this silver sheets on it, so it looked kind of different, but this is what it looks like now. Also, everything's kind of dirty, so I need to clean it up a bit before I leave, but I just wanted to show around a bit before I leave. I also had just gone to 2 places to find moving boxes. I went to Target here in Soho, they did not have any. So I went to an Ace Hardware in East Village, and nobody has moving boxes, of course, because it's the end of the month. So I'm gonna go to this hardware store in Tribeca to get moving boxes. It's like a little hardware store. I bet it's gonna be like 20 bucks per box. But at this point, I have to get the boxes. Yeah, I have the Vita Coco too. Okay. I have retrieved boxes, so I'm gonna start to pack stuff up. Currently, I'm packing up like a box of mostly Parson stuff, like at the bottom, like all my sewing stuff. This is gonna be a heavy box, but I'm just packing it full, and this cupboard is all my Parson stuff. I think I'll do the tour once I get this TV out of the way. That getting rid of all my stools before moving was maybe not the best decision, but that's okay. Okay, this is proving to be impossible to try to like give you guys a tour and pack all my stuff. So I'm just gonna show you guys like this. You guys can see this is where my couch was, this, and then I put these frames up here, and then my fire escape, this little onyx cube I got, and I loved this as a little side table. This cushion is actually from Urban Outfitters. And then this Louis Vuitton trunk you guys watched me unbox. I loved it so much, and it has my S as my initial, which is crazy that this was on there because this is like a 200-year-old trunk. And then this is where I used to have my TV console, which was this USM console, and then I had my TV here. And then in here was my bedroom, which is also super messy now too. My mattress and bed were here, and then this is my desk. And I put these 2 baccarat sconces up, and then this saucer pendant light, but they never actually did my ceiling, which was really annoying. And then this is just a CB2 mirror, and I had this little nightstand which is like has pizza on it, and this rug is like a little cowhide rug. Here was my closet. You can see some of my shoes are missing now, but I have a bunch of clothes still hung up in bags up there. There's kind of no such thing as enough closet space. But yeah, that was my closet. This is like the worst state my apartment's ever been in because everything, obviously I'm moving out. But this was my kitchen. It was not the most functional kitchen, even though I'm not like a cook. Really, I feel like some of the most like intense things I cooked I filmed. But these were my cabinets, and then I actually had covered the backsplash with like the silver sheets, which I don't know if you guys can remember that. This fridge was always kind of a weird fridge. Like they had replaced my fridge another time, but the fridge was kind of always not the best, and I used these cabinets always to store stuff for school, so a bunch of stuff was in there. And I put my suitcases up there actually. A friend actually did that for me. This was my bathroom, which, guys, this is the worst state anything has ever been in. And yeah, that's all like looking cute, so I could show you all the details. But my desk I never really used. It just like housed all of my accessories low-key. I need to finish packing all my stuff. My friend Jennifer is gonna come over and help me, which is so sweet. See, on my fire escape, we're just right outside in Soho, which is nice. It looks like it's gonna rain though. All these people right here are watching the Knicks game. Oh my. Okay, I'm in the process still of moving. It's so weird that you can see this closet is like half empty now. And then in here, it's kind of chaotic.